Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to STEM Education. Dear students, we are reading English 5 Plus and our today's topic is gender, masculine and feminine. Masculine noun are word for men, boys and male animals. Feminine noun are words for women, girls and female animals like boys masculine, father masculine, lion masculine, girl feminine, mother feminine, lioness feminines. I can do it. Draw a line to match father masculine, mother feminine, lion masculine, lioness feminine, boy masculine, girl feminine.